Which factor most directly determines the effectiveness of a steam sterilization cycle? A. Instrument color. B. Steam contact with all surfaces. C. Load appearance. D. Storage location. Answer, B. Steam must contact every surface to destroy microorganisms. What is the primary goal of the decontamination area in sterile processing? A. Instrument storage. B. Microbial reduction through cleaning. C. Documentation. D. Instrument assembly. Answer, B. Cleaning removes organic debris and lowers microbial load. Why should hinged surgical instruments be opened during sterilization? A. Improve labeling. B. Ensure sterilant penetration. C. Reduce weight. D. Improve packaging. Answer, B. Open positions allow sterilant to reach internal surfaces. What is the most reliable method for monitoring sterilization effectiveness? A. Chemical indicators. B. Mechanical readings. C. Biological indicators. D. Visual inspection. Answer, C. Biological indicators confirm destruction of resistant spores. Which department is primarily responsible for instrument processing in hospitals? A. Pharmacy. B. Central service. C. Radiology. D. Admissions. Answer, B. Central service manages cleaning, sterilization, and distribution. Why must instruments be thoroughly dried before sterilization? A. Prevent corrosion. B. Maintain packaging appearance. C. Avoid steam dilution and contamination. D. Increase load capacity. Answer, C. Moisture can interfere with proper sterilization conditions. What is the first step when receiving contaminated surgical instruments? A. Inspection. B. Cleaning. C. Transportation to decontamination area. D. Packaging. Answer, C. Contaminated items must reach the designated decontamination area. Which sterilization method is commonly used for heat-sensitive medical devices? A. Steam. B. Dry heat. C. Low-temperature sterilization. D. Boiling water. Answer, C. Heat-sensitive items require low-temperature processes. What does a chemical indicator primarily verify? A. Microbial destruction. B. Sterilization cycle exposure. C. Instrument cleanliness. D. Storage time. Answer, B. Chemical indicators confirm exposure to sterilization parameters. Why should sterile packs be allowed to cool before handling? A. Improve labeling. B. Prevent contamination from condensation. C. Save storage space. D. Increase sterilization strength. Answer, B. Warm packs can draw moisture and microorganisms. What is the purpose of instrument inspection before packaging? A. Improve appearance. B. Detect damage or malfunction. C. Increase load size. D. Simplify storage. Answer, B. Damaged instruments must be repaired or replaced. Why are heavy instrument sets placed on lower sterilizer shelves? A. Improve sterilizer appearance. B. Maintain load balance and proper circulation. C. Increase load capacity. D. Prevent labeling errors. Answer, B. Proper placement supports steam circulation. Which sterilization monitor records time, temperature, and pressure? A. Mechanical monitor. B. Chemical indicator. C. Biological indicator. D. Packaging label. Answer, A. Mechanical monitors track sterilizer performance parameters. Why is proper instrument lubrication important? A. Improve shine. B. Maintain smooth instrument movement. C. Increase sterilization speed. D. Reduce packaging time. Answer, B. Lubrication prevents stiffness and wear. What should be done if a sterilization cycle fails biological testing? A. Ignore result. B. Release instruments. C. Investigate and recall affected loads. D. Change packaging only. Answer, C. A failed BI indicates possible sterilization failure. Why are sterilized instruments stored in controlled environments? A. Improve appearance. B. Maintain sterility and prevent contamination. C. Increase storage capacity. D. Simplify labeling. Answer, B. Controlled storage areas reduce dust, moisture, and contamination risks, helping maintain sterility until use. Which process removes visible soil from instruments? A. Sterilization. B. Cleaning. C. Packaging. D. Storage. Answer, B. Cleaning physically removes blood, tissue, and debris before disinfection or sterilization. What is the primary risk of inadequate cleaning before sterilization? A. Instrument discoloration. B. Sterilization failure. C. Storage damage. D. Labeling errors. Answer, B. Residual organic matter can block sterilant contact and prevent proper microbial destruction. Why must sterile packages remain intact during storage? A. Maintain sterility barrier. B. Improve shelf organization. C. Increase load capacity. D. Simplify documentation. Answer, A. The packaging acts as a barrier that protects sterile contents from contamination. What does event-related sterility mean? A. Expiration based on time. B. Sterility maintained until contamination occurs. C. Sterility lost after 1 week. D. Storage temperature requirement. Answer, B. Sterility is preserved unless the package becomes damaged, wet, or contaminated. Which factor most affects sterilization load success? A. Instrument color. B. Proper loading technique. C. Staff schedule. D. Packaging brand. Answer, B. Correct loading allows proper sterilant circulation throughout the entire load. Why are peel pouches sealed before sterilization? A. Improve labeling. B. Maintain sterile barrier system. C. Reduce weight. D. Increase sterilizer capacity. Answer, B. Sealing ensures the contents remain sterile after the sterilization process. What is the purpose of a sterilization log? A. Record sterilization cycle information. B. Improve instrument cleaning. C. Increase packaging speed. D. Organize storage. Answer, A. Sterilization logs provide documentation for tracking sterilization cycles and quality control. Why must sterilizers undergo routine maintenance? A. Improve appearance. B. Ensure consistent performance. C. Increase storage space. D. Simplify labeling. Answer, B. Regular maintenance ensures sterilizers operate safely and effectively. Which step confirms instrument functionality before surgery? A. Storage. B. Inspection. C. Transportation. D. Sterilization. Answer, B. Inspection ensures instruments are clean, undamaged, and functioning correctly. Why are instrument trays wrapped before sterilization? A. Improve appearance. B. Create sterile barrier. C. Reduce weight. D. Increase drying time. Answer, B. Wrapping protects instruments from contamination after sterilization. Which indicator type is placed inside instrument packs? A. External chemical indicator. B. Internal chemical indicator. C. Mechanical monitor. D. Biological monitor. Answer, B. Internal indicators verify that sterilization conditions reached the inside of the package. What is the goal of sterile storage areas? A. Maintain sterility until use. B. Increase load capacity. C. Improve instrument appearance. D. Reduce sterilization cycles. Answer A. Proper storage conditions protect sterile items until they are needed. Why should sterile items be handled minimally? A. Prevent contamination. B. Reduce storage time. C. Increase load size. D. Improve labeling. Answer A. Frequent handling increases the chance of package damage or contamination. Which sterilization parameter is most critical in steam cycles? A. Color. B. Pressure. C. Temperature. D. Packaging. Answer C. High temperature is required to destroy microorganisms and spores. What should staff do if packaging becomes wet after sterilization? A. Use immediately. B. Reprocess the item. C. Store it normally. D. Ignore moisture. Answer B. Moisture compromises the sterile barrier and requires reprocessing. Why must sterile packs not be stacked while warm? A. Prevent moisture accumulation. B. Improve appearance. C. Increase storage capacity. D. Reduce cooling time. Answer A. Stacking warm packs can trap moisture and compromise sterility. Which process verifies sterilizer performance daily? A. Air removal test. B. Cleaning test. C. Storage test. D. Packaging test. Answer A. Daily air removal testing ensures proper vacuum function in steam sterilizers. What is the main function of sterile packaging materials? A. Increase load size. B. Maintain sterility after processing. C. Improve instrument color. D. Simplify labeling. Answer B. Packaging protects sterile instruments during storage and transport. Why are sterilization records important? A. Legal documentation and quality assurance. B. Improve storage. C. Increase packaging speed. D. Simplify cleaning. Answer A. Records provide traceability and help verify proper sterilization processes. What determines the shelf placement of sterile items? A. Weight and accessibility. B. Instrument brand. C. Staff preference. D. Color coding. Answer A. Heavier items are usually stored lower for safety and accessibility. Why should sterile storage areas remain clean and dry? A. Maintain sterile conditions. B. Improve appearance. C. Increase capacity. D. Simplify labeling. Answer A. Clean, dry environments reduce contamination risks. What does sterilization aim to eliminate? A. Dust. B. Microorganisms including spores. C. Instrument stains. D. Packaging labels. Answer B. Sterilization destroys all microorganisms, including highly resistant spores. Which department ensures sterile supplies reach surgical areas? A. Central Service. B. Radiology. C. Laboratory. D. Pharmacy. Answer A. Central Service manages sterile supply distribution within healthcare facilities. Why must sterile supplies be transported carefully? A. Prevent contamination and damage. B. Improve appearance. C. Increase load capacity. D. Reduce storage time. Answer A. Improper handling can damage packaging and compromise sterility.